Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Land Rover Defender dashboard. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the vehicle's battery. Next, you'll need to remove the steering wheel and the column shrouds. After that, carefully detach all the surrounding trim panels that connect to or obstruct the dashboard. This initial preparation is crucial for smooth access to the main components. Now, focus on the instrument cluster. Unscrew it and gently pull it forward, then disconnect all the electrical connectors from its rear. Following this, proceed to remove the center console and the radio unit. There are typically several screws holding these in place, so locate them all before attempting to pull them out. This step involves the heater controls and extensive wiring. Detach the heater control cables from their respective units. It's vital to carefully label and disconnect all wiring harnesses connected to the dashboard. Take your time here. Overlooking even one wire can cause issues later. Double-check that every electrical connection is free. For the final stage, locate and remove all the remaining dashboard mounting bolts, which are often hidden. Once all fasteners are removed, gently lift and pull the dashboard away from the vehicle's frame. Be extremely careful to ensure no wires or cables become snagged during this process. With patience, the dashboard will come free.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.